if you thank you. Oh, that is horrible. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, Jenny here. Today is Quick Tip Monday for you, and I've got another quick tip for you. So let me grab my product. If you do not know what this is a gel liner. A lot of beauty companies have something similar to this. If it dries out on you, like mine, I'll come up close, mine is pretty dry. If it dries up on you, you can still get a little bit of juice out of it. So all you have to do is put it in the microwave for 10 seconds and, well, it's as good as new. And there you have it. That is my quick tip for today. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe all down below. You can catch me on Facebook and Instagram. That's at kiss.jennie. That's kiss.jennie, Jennie with an IE, which is right here. If you want to subscribe, it is right here. If you want to catch my last video, it is right here. Thank you so very much for watching. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.